The video is harder to do than using this machine. Setting it up was a breeze, and it's just wonderful. I'm 66, it came out of the box, I put it on the floor, I'm using it, I'm watching TV, sitting on my couch, and it's just the greatest thing. And I'm getting exercise, and I can set it at any setting I want. The dial's down there, my feet are down there. I don't know what else to show you, but hey, this is great.
Let you change the tension here.
Yeah, but that's about it.
Okay.
Want a whole chicken, fresh whole chicken for $9.89.
So how is it, Evan? Is it working well?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
I like how you can change the resistance on it.
Can you go a little
that's
faster?
the whole idea of it. You know, you build up and, does it say anything about being,
Kind of like a gears on the bike.
Let's move! We got some people waiting for the ride down there! Quit looking at me like that.
Very simple. Watch the game and work out. Absolutely amazing.
I can just sit here and pedal, read my book, watch TV, or play games.
I think he said FAC, F-A-C, so it's going to stand for F, the F receiver across. And he said empty left. Okay, there goes the halfback out in motion.
Ring, ring, ring.
Stewart facade and the Dutch gable.
I am DMV in the K house. Good.